Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. Firstly, find Sound Recorder app and click on it. Then start recording by clicking on this red button at the bottom left corner. Then select while using the app or only this time in the pop-up, and as you can see, my recording is on. In order to pause it or unpause it, click on the same red button. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the white one with a check mark. Then name it however you want to and tap on save. Now click on this left button again and play your recording by clicking on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, select the bin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!